Okay, this is total trust right here. Okay, come on. This is how Tiki wants to take a bath. He doesn't like the sink by itself, so I put a washcloth down to make him feel safer. You're okay. Good boy. It's okay. We're testing it out. No? Okay. He wants to take a bath and Mommy's trying to get ready for work. Stuck his whole head into there. He is. There you go. Okay, I know. You're okay. You're okay. I gotcha. I gotcha. Whatever you want to do. Good boy. Yeah, okay. You're okay. Good boy. Goodness. I gotcha. I'm not letting you go. You're fine. You're okay. I gotcha. Hey. It's okay. I got you. Are you done? Done? Okay. Okay. Alright. Are we done? Okay, come on. Let's go over to your cage then, and you can dry off. What a good birdie. What a good birdie. There you go. Good boy.